Today I'm here to introduce Leaper's UTG low profile flip up front and rear sight. Now before we work on our firearm, always make sure the gun is unloaded, chamber is empty. Let's insert a chamber safety flag. Well, as you can see on my competition rifle, I've been running a 1-to-8 power scope for a very long time, but it's always good to have a set of backup like this. Installation is very simple. For the front sight, you want to find the longest sight radius possible. So in this case, you want to mount it all the way toward the muzzle end. Use included Allen key to gradually tighten down this Allen screw. Now, before you tighten it up, you want to push it all the way forward so it reduces any chance of movement during heavy recoil. Simple like that. To deploy the front sight, simply flip it up and push the sight button to press it back down. Using a standard 4-point A2 front sight tool, you can adjust the elevation. To install the rear sight, as you can see, I have my scope in place, but I'm still able to install the rear sight without any complication. Simply by slide this rear sight forward and find the correct slot and tighten down the screws using included Allen key. Now before you completely tighten the screw, you want to push it all the way forward and finish up the rest. There you have it. Whenever I want to deploy my rear sight, all I need to do is remove the scope. Always good to have a set of QD. Now flip it up and press the sight button to push it back down. On the rear side, we have Windage Adjustment, as well as 2 apertures for close range and long range engagement.